is Congresswoman Franz Castro. You are recognized. You have 10 minutes.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Some clarification lang, Mr. Chair, doon sa presentation ng PIDEA, si ASEC Gumban, Mr. Chair. May I also request that the COMSEC, pwede po bang ipakita po yung matrix na presented to us by ASEC Gumban, doon po sa POGO Illegal Drugs Connections. So, meron lang po ako i-clarify na ilang bagay, Mr. Chair. So, doon po sa presentation, Mr. Chair, so, it seems talaga, Mr. Chair, na si Michael Yang, si Alan Lin, kasama na yung kanyang, yung asawa, si Michael Yang, si Alan Lin, ay talaga pong close. Tama po ba? At sila po ay, ay involved sa drugs. Sa illegal drugs. I mean, ASEC, Sir Chair.
Kindly repeat the question, please.
So, okay. So, doon po sa matrix na ipinakita niyo po, Mr. Chair, dito sa POGO Illegal Drugs. So, sinasabi niyo po ba na si Michael Yang, si Alan Lin, at ayun, ay talaga pong close po ba yan na mga involved sa illegal drugs? Do you say categorically that they are involved in illegal drugs?
Ma'am, Alan Lim is directly involved with drugs, but up to now we cannot connect Michael Yang yet in this link diagram.
Why? Bakit po? Bakit hindi nyo ma-connect po si Michael Yang na involved din sa illegal drugs? Kasi yun yung tanong ko kanina, Mr. Chair. Kasi 'di ba dito po no, kasi ang title nyo sa matrix, POGO's Illegal Drugs Connection. So, ano po yung katulad niyan, yung nilagay niyo po pa po dyan, yung picture ni Mr. Duterte, si Michael Yang, at saka si Alan Lim. At hindi po yan yung first na litrato po no, na nakikita nating magkakasama ang mga yan. So, ang ibig sabihin po, itong si Lin, Alan Lin, at si Michael Yang ay involved sa drugs, illegal drugs.
Ma'am, Mr. Chair, it's just to happen that they are part of the corporation. They are just incorporators. And the information that they are involved in drugs, that is according to Colonel Asierto.
Okay. So, nag-imbestiga po ba kayo doon, Mr. Chair? Kasi kung ito po yung binigay ni Colonel Asierto, so mula po noon na binibigay niya yung ganong information, nag-ano po ba kayo, nag-conduct kayo ng investigation, Mr. Chair?
Yes, ma'am, and Alan Lim is confirmed that involves in drugs. But what we have now is just Alan Lin and Michael Yang are just same incorporators. So we are still digging on the accounts of Michael Yang. And that is for the AMLAC to determine.
Yes. So, ano po yung ulit, yung corporation nitong dalawang to na they are involved?
Ma'am, Rose Nonulin and Michael Yang are also co-incorporators of a certain Alan Lin in Piley Holdings Corporation. Piley Holdings, ma'am.
Piley Holdings. Ano po yung negosyo nila, Mr. Chair? Doon sa corporation. Ano pong linya ng trabaho or industry?
We do not know yet, ma'am, about their the business of Piley.
Mr. Chair, sorry parang nag-present po kayo ng ganitong matrix. So, syempre kami po sa House of Reps na mga kongresista, tatanungin po natin yung mga detalye niyan. So, kung ako po yung titingin dyan, parang may connection ang mga yan. Di po ba? Kasi ito, si Alan Lin, involved sa droga. So ito, nilagay nyo dyan, si Alan Lin at saka si Michael Yang na isa sa isang corporation. Etong Full Win Group. Ano po ba yung negosyo nung dalawa na they are incorporators? Kasali po yung asawa ni Lin, Mr. Chair.
Ma'am, we are checking it regarding the Piley Holdings.
Mr. Chair, come again.
We are checking it right now, ma'am, about the Piley Holdings because actually that is not exhaustively identified by PDEA because we are just going through up to Rose Nonolin and to involve up to the last Alice Goo, ma'am.
Well, Mr. Chair, so it seems na merong exception doon sa information. Kasi po, yun nga po, nag-present kayo ng matrix na ganyan, dinidig namin yung mga relasyon ng mga taong nandiyan, pati yung corporation. So, ASEC, meron po ba kayong meron po ba kayong ine-accept or meron kayong tinatago dito? Kasi pag tiningnan po natin yan, Mr. Chair, magkakasama yan si Mr. Duterte, si Alan Lin, si Michael Yang, di ba? So, ano po yung mga relasyon nitong mga tatlong ito? Sinama niyo pa po si Senator Bongo na nilink ninyo kay Alan Lin. So, may tanong din po ako doon. So hindi kayo pwedeng mag-present sa amin ng JASA Matrix na akala ninyo hindi kami nag-iisip at nag-analyze. Kasi kanina pa po ako nag-analyze yung inyong matrix. May mga alam ko naman po yung ibig sabihin ng mga arrow eh. 'Di ba? May link. Tinuturo po natin yan sa mathematics, yung mga links. So, ano po yung pakibalik nga po Comsec yung matrix. Para po maintindihan po natin. Kasi kung ako po yung titingin doon, ibig niyo bang sabihin, Mr. Asek, Gumban, dahil, sabi niyo po, involved si Alan Lin sa droga. Si Michael Yang ay kasama ni Michael Lin sa corporation. Tinatanong ko ngayon, ano ba yung line of business po ng corporation? Kasi Mr. Chair, kung natatandaan ninyo, doon sa Committee on Drugs, na-establish natin na si Michael Yang ay isang isang drug lord or involved sa illegal drugs. At tignan niyo po, yung inyong title sa Matrix, Pogo Illegal Drugs Connections. So sabihin niyo po sa akin, at ibig sabihin, yung mga link ba yan? Saan po yan? Involved sa Pogo, illegal drugs. So tanong ko po, so ibig niyo pa po yung corporation ni Michael Yang at saka ni Alan Lin. So ito po, nilagyan niyo ng arrow si Alan Lin at saka si Senator Bongo. Tama po ba yon? Senator, tingnan ko nga po.
Ma'am, regarding Piley,
Oo, dun sa matrix.
Piley, ma'am, is to engage in general construction business, including the constructing, enlarging, repairing, developing, or engaging in any work upon building houses and condominium roads, plants, bridges, airfields, piers, waterworks, railroads, and other structures, except government-funded projects and other defense-related projects. That is the relations of the Pogo, ma'am. They're the one constructing the Piley, is the one constructing the buildings.
Pogo. Sila
Pogo.
po yung nag-construct ng mga Pogos. Yung mga-
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Dahil nilagay niyo rin po illegal drugs diyan So si Alan Lin, hindi lang po siya involved sa construction ng mga illegal pogo, infrastructure or mga buildings, involved din siya sa illegal drugs. So don't you think or can you infer na baka involved din si Michael Yang sa droga?
So far, ma'am, what we have is Alan Lim has a case in drugs. But with regards to Michael Yang, we are still going into investigations regarding that matter together with other government agencies.
Yes, so medyo Mr. Chair, medyo matagal matagal tayong siguro mahirap talaga mag-imbestiga. Pero matagal na po yan natin na pinag-uusapan. Papanahon pa ng Parmali, 2016 pa yan, yung pangalan ng Michael Yang. At hanggang ngayon ay hindi pa natin po siya na-imbestigan. Ilang beses na po yan lumalabas. Even sa Committee on Dangerous Drugs, sinasabi po na si Michael Yang ay involved sa illegal drugs. Pero sige po, antayin namin yung inyong yung inyong investigation. Ano pa po yung mga corporation na involved po si Alan Lin at saka si Michael Yang? So yun
Mr.
lang
Chair.
po ba, Mr.
Chair, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair?
Mr. Chair, may I interject? Just one question lang. It puzzles me, Mr. Chair, with the indulgence of Congresswoman Castro. I'd like to ask us, just for clarity of this committee, di ba kayo po yung nag-present ng matrix na to?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. And the heading of the matrix very clear. Pogo, illegal drugs connection. Is it correct?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So why did you put Michael Yang there if you're not fully convinced that Michael Yang is not connected with any illegal drug trade?
In the beginning, sir, we stated already that this matrix was taken from the, it is a compilation.
Yeah, but
Not exactly from PDEA alone.
yeah, but you're the one who presented this, Mr. Chair, to the committee. So we presume you already have enough information to respond to the question of Congresswoman Castro. It appears that you are assailing your own matrix by saying that you do not have enough information to link Michael Yang with illegal drug operation. Why would you put their name there? That's very incriminating, and yet you're coming here telling us that you do not have enough evidence to prove.
He was with the Pogo holding, sir, with the Pogo thing.
But you should have at least clarified that in your matrix before coming here, because it's very clear. We all understood the arrows. Tama nga po yung sinabi ni Congresswoman Castro. Very clear po yung mga arrows dyan. And yung heading is very incriminating, Pogo illegal drug trade. Lahat po ng pangalan dyan, from the very start, first glance, it appears that all of these individuals are connected in one way or the other in the illegal drug trade.
Yes, sir. That's correct, sir. They are connected in such a way that others are just connected because they are just the same incorporators. Not exactly that they are involved in drugs.
Yeah, but I guess, Mr. Chair, I think it puzzles me, Mr. Chair, because the way I understood the matrix is that all of these individuals are somehow connected one way or the other in the operation of illegal drugs vis-a-vis the illegal Pogo operation. So it puzzles me, Mr. Chair, that now Congresswoman Castro is digging deeper into the arrangement and the transaction between and among these corporations, and yet we're getting information from PDEA na hindi mismo sila sigurado. I just want to put that into record, Mr. Chair, Asik Gumban.
Thank you, Congressman Adjong.
They have to be clear on their presentation.
Yeah,
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Please proceed, Congresswoman Castro.
Yes, thank you, Mr. Chair. Kasi ina-analyze ko talaga yung matrix, Parang sa statement po ni ASEC, Gumban, parang meron siyang ine-exempt, Kasi tinanong ko rin po ito, yung relasyon ni Mr. Duterte kay Michael Yang. At since close siya dahil nga doon sa inappoint pa ito as economic advisor or whatever sa pwesto niya doon sa presidential. Pero sinasabi niyo ngayon na wala pa po kayong conclusion na si Michael Yang ay involved din sa droga. Pero balikan natin yung matrix, Mr. Chair. Si Alan Lin, Mr. Chair, ay kinonect. Sorry nakita ko kasi yung kinonect po kay Senator Bongo. Sinabi nyo kanina, si Alan Lin ay involved sa illegal drugs. So, ang ibig bang sabihin, involved din si Senator Bongo sa drugs? since kinonect nyo po siya, so ano po yung ibig sabihin po nung arrow nyo? Yung connection ni Alan Lin at saka ni Senator Bongo po. Gusto ko lang pong malinawan.
Ma'am, according to our informant, they are just close friends. That's why you just put it there. They are just close friends. It is not specific that they are involved in drugs. That's why we have these incorporators, just to interlink them. And we are still digging that what we can have against these people. It is not yet complete, ma'am. It is ongoing.
Okay. So, si Alan Lin po, no, close friend. So, alam po ni Bongo ang mga trabaho po ni Alan Lin. Na alam po ni Senator Bongo, dahil sila ay close friends, alam po niya na si Lin ay involved sa illegal drugs. Yan po yung tanong ko.
Yun.
That will be answered by Senator Bongo, ma'am, not us yet. Because we are still investigating, we do not have concrete proof yet of what their transactions is.
Okay.
Yeah, what we have there is just, they are just close friends, according to our informant.
Okay. Okay. Thank
We
you
do
po.
not know what they are talking about. They do not know what they are talking about if they are close friends. We are just guessing what they are talking.
Pero sorry po Asek Gumban, wag po kayong gagawa ng ganyang matrix na incriminating at kino-connect nyo tapos ang title nyo ay illegal and pogo drugs connection. At yan po, nilagay nyo rin po yan. Kompletuhin nyo po yung inyong investigation dyan at syempre po yung Mr. Chair, sa AMLA naman, so nakita nyo na po no yung meron na po ba kayong inimbestigahan dito sa mga personality on drugs po? AMLA. As regards to kung meron pong money laundering involvement.
Sir Chair, based on the presentation, as far as I can recall, there is just one corporation there, the RMCE, where it owns an account that was subject of a petition for civil forfeiture by the MLC related to other subjects, Mr. Chair, who are not on the matrix.
Okay, so sinabi na po ni Asek Gumban, Mr. Chair, na it's up for the AMLA no, to investigate. So pwede po ba, halimbawa yung si Michael Yang, yung Alan Lin, ay ma-subject din po sa kung meron po tayong tinakikitang money laundering activity po.
Mr. Chair, we will coordinate po with the PIDEA, but then again, for the AMLC to have jurisdiction to conduct money laundering investigation, there must be an unlawful activity that has been developed already, Mr. Chair. But as regards to money laundering investigation, then we will coordinate, Mr. Chair, with the PIDEA.
Napaka-selective po ng ating mga action po ng ating gobyerno, no? Katulad nitong AMLA, Mr. Chair. Yung mga religious organizations na gumagampan ng kanilang pagtulong, mga services sa mga may hirap, sa iba't ibang mga rural areas, sinabject nyo agad sa AMLA, ay sinabject nyo agad na ma-freeze yung mga, yung mga account. Samantalang ito, no, kung nakikita na natin na sinasabi naman ng PIDEA na involved sa illegal drugs, at sinasabi niya naman na sina-challenge kayo na tignan ninyo. So, pwede ba mag-coordinate po, Mr. Chair, ang AMLA at saka ang PIDEA para makita lang po talaga natin na merong talagang money laundering problem dyan po.
Mr. Chair, we have a very strong coordination with the PIDEA, Mr. Chair.
Okay. So, kailan po kayo mag-iimbestiga?
Mr. Chair,
O nagsisimula na?
we are coordinating with PIDEA, Mr. Chair.
Okay. So, thank you, Mr. Chair. So, siguro, for the last manifestation, no, yung pong ating yung ating pong matrix na pinipresent, it seems that Michael Yang, Alan Lin, Mr. Duterte are connected. At sinasabi ng PIDEA, Alan Lin is involved in illegal drugs and pogo. Therefore, si Michael Yang din po involved din dun sa pogo. Iimbestigahan pa rin po ng PIDEA ang involvement ni Michael Yang kasi nakita natin yung sinabi dito ni Mr. Duterte, no, kay Michael Yang, no, kung may mapapatunayan sa kanya. Tapos ito po yung tungkol doon kay Senator Bongo. So nakakalito lang po no. So sana po ay kung tayo po ay mag-iisip, malilink natin sila na involved sila. Okay? So yun lang po Mr. Chair. Hintayin po natin yung mas malalim na investigation po ng PIDEA.
Okay,
Mr. Chair.
thank you, Congresswoman Castro. So, if I may, Congressman Abante, following the line of questioning of Congresswoman Castro, may I ask the PIDEA that yung point po na when you submit to the committee a matrix, please make sure that the information that you have gathered are enough and sufficient to be able to prove your point. Because the committee is, we have a theory Yung aming theory, from the beginning of this investigation tungkol sa drugs, ay sinasabi na po natin na meron pong kaugnayan ang illegal drugs dito sa Pogo. And in between, yun ang hinuhukay natin at tinitingnan natin. Now, if personalities appear in the conduct of these proceedings, may mga personalidad na umappear, kailangan po ma-substantiate natin. Yun lang ang aking request. Kasi mahirap naman na mag-akusa tayo, tapos wala naman po tayong sufficient na ebidensya. But I do understand that the investigation is ongoing, and it's not very easy, really, to substantiate, or get more information in relation to the involvement of certain personalities. Mahirap talaga yon. Kasi hindi naman magpapahuli ng buhay kung totoo nga namang may involvement sa ganyang klaseng illegal activities yung mga yan. Hindi yan basta-basta maghuli. That's the reason why we have now uncovered that there are layerings. Naglayering po yung mga kumpanya kung saan itong mga drug personalities, alleged drug personalities are involved. Kaya ang ating na we should be circumspect at bigyan ng mas sufficient na mga information para mas tumibay ang ating mga ebidensya. Salamat, PIDEA. Yes, Congressman Abante, before we proceed to another presentation.
Yeah, in relation to what you said and Congresswoman Castro, Asek Gumban, why do you have to include Senator Bongo in the matrix when he is not even an incorporator? Because they're just close friends, you have to include him? Why?
Yes, sir, that is to establish that these people, Alan Lim, has a connection to higher-ups because of their friendship with higher people.
Oh, my goodness. Is Senator Bongo involved in Pogo and in drugs? Were you able to investigate that?
Sorry, Mr. Chair, maybe the title is wrong. Our title of the presentation is wrong.
So, ibig sabihin nito, it also would be wrong for you to include a person who is not involved in those alleged crimes. Asik Gumban.
Yes, as I have said, sir, the title of the matrix of our presentation is quite lacking. What we have, sir, is their connections, this Alan Lim, his connections with influential people. Just connection, whatever it is, they have
If they have connection to influential people, ibig sabihin, tama si Congresswoman Castro, meron silang involvement doon. Inyo bang nababasa ito na meron tayong kasabihan, birds of the same feather flock together? Di ba?
It's possible, sir.
Oh,
It is
possible. O ngayon possible na. Kanina itinatanggi mo na si Michael Yang kasama doon, including the senator putting in there as close friends. Hindi dapat kasama. Oo. Yan ang sinasabi ni Chairman Ace Barbers. Huwag tayong magkakamali because you do not want to accuse a wrong person. Asek Gumban.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair,
Thank you.
kung di po involved sa illegal drugs si Senator Bongo, pwede bang sabihin na protector ito ng mga personality ng involved sa illegal drugs. So logic lang po yun.
Now, with
To
the
close
indulgence
friends.
of Congresswoman Castro, mahirap po kasing kasi nga nabanggit po nila kanina na ongoing naman po yung kanilang investigation. We may probably have our own opinion on the presentation na ginawa nila, no? And there are questions still hanging. And in fairness naman sa kanila, hindi pa naman sila tapos, no? And I would beg the indulgence of Congresswoman Castro that to give them more time to submit to the committee kung ano ang kanilang findings. Sabi ko nga kanina, it is difficult really na magbanggit tayo ng pangalan na wala tayong sufficient na ebidensya.
So I yield to the wisdom of our chair, Mr. Chair.
Maraming salamat po, Congresswoman Castro. Since the good Congresswoman is the last interpolator on the first presentation of PIDEA, now we can move on to, you still have another presentation, PIDEA?
Yes, Mr. Chair, regarding Domoy clandestine laboratory.
Where is the Domoy? Where is Domoy?
Domoy, sir, is the place where
yeah,
the clandestine
I remember.
laboratory was raided by PDEA in Davao City.
Sige
That
po.
was in 2004, sir.
Okay, so ito ay drugs pa rin.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sige po. Okay, please, is that, ilang minuto yan na